guess what? Sorry, my phone's going off. But I am here to share with you guys, I started a new Ibotta Facebook page. It's just a friend request. I'm not going to be really active on it. The only thing I'm going to do is might share some things for you guys. But what you guys need to do for those who are not on my team, or if you guys are thinking about it, you guys can friend request me. Now, I did post the link to this page on my Deals by DesignerJen on Facebook. So you guys were saying you wanted to be on my team for Ibotta. Well, I started a new account so you guys can be on my team. So you guys, a lot of you guys are saying that you guys never get to the levels because you don't have any friends. But if you guys join my team, it'll be awesome. But yeah, this is a second account. It's not my real one, but I'm here to help you guys out, and this is the way to do it. My phone is just going off like crazy. But yes, so click the link that I will have. I'll put it below for you guys also. So just friend request me, and then what you guys need to do is disconnect. You want to go to the app. You want to disconnect your Facebook, and then reconnect. And then you guys will see that I am on your team. So this will be exciting for a lot of you guys. I was trying to figure out a way to do this, but I just wanted to share with you guys this stuff. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys all on my Ibotta team. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.